Hey Harish,
Hi Biana. How are you doing?
I am doing absolutely great. Thanks. How about you?
Yeah, I am good.
What are you thinking about?
Well, I was just thinking about what to do with my pocket money.
How about going for dinner or shopping?
That's what I do all the time. This time I want to make it more useful.
What made you think like that?
There are a few things which I can't buy now. But maybe in the future I must be able to afford it.
Okay. Then why don't you start saving?
That's a good idea. But saving money doesn't give any high returns that I'm expecting.
I think I know a person who can help you.
Oh, really?
Yes, come let's go meet him. Good morning, sir.
Hi Viana. So, haven't seen you for long time.
Yes, sir, it's been a long time.
So, what made you pay me a visit?
He is my friend Harish. Harish, this is Mr. Prabhu.
Hello, sir.
Good to see you.
Sir, we want to know how we can spend our money efficiently.
Having such a thought at a very young age is really appreciable.
Thank you, sir.
In order to multiply your money, you must learn to invest it.
Where can I invest it, sir?
You can invest in the stock market. Okay, let's consider you are in a new city. You opened a shop for living, but you don't know how to develop it. So first you approach a bank, but you know the time that you have to spend there and the risk you have. When you approach any rich people for the money, they may find your idea insecure. And they will say,
No.
No, no.
so, what are you supposed to do now? Let's consider that you split your company's shares and sell certain parts to the public. So now, they become shareholders of your company. In your point of view, you have a capital to develop your company. From their point of view, they have made a secure investment, and they gain when you gain. Now, after gaining certain amount, these people sell their shares to another set of people for double the price. And if their investment grows, your company grows. This is what stock market is all about.
That's interesting. Can you teach us more about the stock market?
Welcome to the stock market.